Hello everyone, welcome to the jungles of Honolulu. Looks like we have roosters that crow. Not that early in the morning, I guess they're on Hawaii time, which is late. And sometimes it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon that they're crowing, but there's a whole flock of them in the middle of the city. Here we are right in the heart of Honolulu. Kind of a windy, cold day, just rain, so I guess it's eating or cow time. A lot of times there's little chicks too. Oh, there's a little fight going on right there. Well, here's nature in the middle of the city. Okay, I guess they resolved their issue. Alright, have a great day.